Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3Wave. This is Vijay Kumar, admin and founder of W3Wave.net. Friends, today we are going to learn how to write a Apex class trigger on contact. Today's scenario is whenever record of contact edit or deleted, then the custom field of account will be automatic updated. So in this scenario, going to the live example. So right now I am the contact and opening the record of the contact. So record of contact, it is a, now I am updating the record of contact. So now I am selecting one parent account. So selecting this one, and after that save the record. So you can see I updated the record and tag from this account. So go to the parent record of account. So after that go to the related list. So as you can see there are 4 contact associated with this account. There are 4 contacts associated with this account. Now going to the detail page, and in the account there is a custom field created. So there is a contact summary. There is a custom field of the account, and here you can see there are 4 contacts associated with this record. So you can see there are 4 contact name, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 contact name. All of the contact name here automatically populated. So friends, if you updating the contact record, the listed of the contact first name and last name will be automatically populated in the custom field of the account. So if you are deleting the contact or removing from tag, it will be automatically decrease. So if you going to the contact, and right now I am updating once again. So right now I am removing this account name, and after that save. So you can see this is, there is a, before there is a 4, and now I am refreshing the record, that is the existing account. So you can see it will be left only 3, 1, 2, 3, because I remove the account name from this contact. So if I adding once again same contact, same account, and then save, that this contact first name and last name will be adding automatically in the parent record. So go to the related list, you can see there is a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you go to a detail page, it will be added automatically in the list of the contact summary. So contact summary, it is a custom field, and here we are updating the list of the child contact first name and last name. So trigger will be fired on the contact, and after fire it will be adding automatically on the record of the account, that is associate of contact. So friends, it is working fine and I already tested. So now I am going to the coding part. So friend, this is an article of the w3wave.net written by me, and here I written a Apex class trigger on contact, where I am updating the custom field of the account, through the contact. So whenever contact record is updating, your contact record is deleted, then the record of account that is associated with the contact automatically updated. So friends, I will give you this URL link in the part of the description. So you need to follow the step according to this article. So as can you see, there is a one step, and in the step 1 you need to create a trigger, name of the trigger. So just simply copy the name of the trigger, go to the developer console in your org. So here icon, right after that, this is a console, developer console. So click on here, you need to create a name of the trigger up first. After that friends, there is a icon button here. So click on this icon button, that is a copy. So if you clicking on the copy icon button, right click, copy, and go to developer console and create a trigger, file of the trigger, and simply paste it. So friends, as you can see, I already created in my personal org. So same thing you need to create from your side in your org. So I already created this file name already and tested as it is. So you need to do from your side. So if I created in my personal also, do not need to create again and again same file. So friends, if you do from your side, you are getting anything issue, please write in comment box. So I explaining this trigger. So as you can see, this trigger fire on the after, trigger in after action. So I write a trigger if trigger is deleted and storing the trigger dot old, that means this is a old session of IT storing, and this is trigger dot new, that is a current session of IT of the contact. So here I am looping the list of the contact, and this will working if your record is updated, and this will working if record is deleted. So I manage both of scenario, trigger dot old and trigger dot is update. So if contact is updated, this code will be trigger, and if you delete the record of the contact, this code will be triggered. So here we will be manage the list of the account as well. So here I write a query on the account where I get the listed of the contact. So here I am written in the inner query on the account. So I am selecting listed of the contact from the account, and finally I loop on the account and get from account to contact, and finally I updated the account of the list. So if you deleting the record, it will manage automatically, and if you updating the record of contact, it will automatically manage. So friends, as you can see, whenever updating the record of contact, the listed of the account contact name, all of the listed of contact name will automatically populated into the parent object of account. So do from your side friend, simply follow the steps, copy the code, create a trigger name and save it. So do from your side. I already tested in personal org, so believe in your org it is working fine as well. So if you getting anything issue, kindly write in comment box friends. And friends, if you did not subscribe my channel till now, kindly subscribe, because I am updating a new video day by day. So if you not subscribe my channel, you will miss my new video, a new scenario. So day by day I am updating a new video as per new scenario and new example. So all of the video I provide the technically and live scenario based. So not provide the theoretically. Almost my video as a technically and practically, friends. So subscribe my channel. If you like my video and like my article, then please subscribe. And you are getting anything issue, kindly write in comment box. Thank you so much.